Hi, this is Raymund and welcome to Bricks Laboratory. This is part 8 of our rebuilding our Lego City video series. And the only thing or building that is left standing that I have to fix is this one. The Palace Cinema. The top floor is completely destroyed. So I have to rebuild the roof and the fire system, and I also have to rebuild this signage that will go here in front of the cinema. Below, not much, only a few things are needed to be fixed, like this one, the balcony, and I need to dust everything. On the ground floor is pretty much okay. I just need to clean it. So here are the parts that I need to put back. Here are my cleaning tools. So let's begin. So that's it, guys. The Palace Cinema is finished. It's back. I'm so happy. So in the next video, we will start the rebuilding the new Heroville city. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our new uploads. Saying goodbye for now.